5 longest railway tunnel in the world.
1. Gotthard Base Tunnel, Switzerland. This tunnel holds the title of the world's longest tunnel, spanning 57.09 kilometers.
2. Seikan Tunnel, Japan.
The Seikan Tunnel, connecting Honshu and Hokkaido Island in Japan, is the world's longest undersea railway tunnel, measuring 53.85 kilometers.
3. Channel Tunnel, United Kingdom, France. The Channel is a remarkable undersea tunnel linking the United Kingdom and France.
It extends for 50.45 kilometers. 4. Lötschberg Base Tunnel, Switzerland. This rank among the world's longest railway tunnel, measuring 34.57 kilometers. 5. Guadarrama Tunnel, Spain. The Guadarrama Tunnel stretches across 28.4 kilometers.